Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Cloud Identity for APIs, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Google Cloud Identity for APIs, begin by accessing the Google Cloud Console. Log in with your Google account associated with your Google Cloud project. Create a new project if you don't have one already. Navigate to the API and Services section in the left sidebar. Click on Dashboard to view your current APIs and services. Select Enable APIs and Services to find the services you need. Search for the specific API you want to use and enable it. Next, go to Credentials in the left sidebar after enabling the API. Click on Create Credentials and select OAuth Client ID. You may need to configure the consent screen first, so choose the application type that suits your needs, such as web application or desktop app. Fill in the required fields, such as the name and authorized redirect URIs if applicable. Click Create to generate your OAuth client ID and secret. Take note of your client ID and client secret as you'll need them later. If using a service account, return to Credentials and select Service Account. Fill out the necessary details and click Create. Assign roles that define the level of access for the service account. Complete the wizard and save the generated key file. Download the key file in JSON format, as it contains essential credentials. Next, set up your development environment to use these credentials. Install the Google Cloud Client library for your programming language. Import the library and configure it to use the client ID and secret or service account key. Use the library's functions to handle the OAuth flow or service account authentication. Ensure your application requests the necessary scopes based on the API you're accessing. When employing OAuth, handle the token exchange process to retrieve access tokens. Store the access token securely and use it in your API requests. Periodically refresh the token as needed to maintain access. With everything set up, you can now make authenticated API calls to Google Cloud Services. Monitor your API usage and manage permissions regularly through the Google Cloud Console. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.